for another new technology I'd like to introduce, and I think this is something that we can all benefit from. It is a website and app called Rescue Time. The reason why I picked this is because our school is working on preparing our students for the future to become more independent, whether it be in high school or in the job world. Um, Tomorrow we have an event called Warrior Way Day, in which students will be going out in the community and learning about the responsibilities of certain jobs. And one thing that every job won't mention, but that's expected of you, is that you are on time for your shift and that you manage your time correctly. And that's exactly why I picked Rescue Time. It keeps track of what you are doing on your computer, um, categorizing it into work, entertainment, leisure, games, stuff like that. And it sends you a weekly report to help to show you how much time you wasted on things that you really could have been doing other things for. Many times we hear students say that they didn't have enough time to do their homework or enough time to study and they weren't ready. At the end of the week, if their report is coming back 50% of their time was playing games on their Chromebooks, then we might be able to see a flaw in their rationale. This is very much for the students who have one-to-one technology, but also for teachers who feel like they may not have enough time in the day in order to get everything done. This will show them that maybe we should change a few habits before we start looking for other outward solutions. ISTE standards that I would associate with this would be for students as an empowered learner, and 1A, it helps the students set goals to be more on task and possibly be distracted less often. And also for educational leaders, an empowered leader. In 3E, it helps them setting up a personalized assessment on how they are doing as an educator and how students are doing managing their time effectively. It's really simple to set up and to do it for free. Go to the website rescuetime.com. Get started for free. Forever. They like to point that out. There are paid options that you do not have to do. And the free option, it sends you a weekly report through email, and it keeps a history of 3 months of your weekly reports, and it works on all platforms or across the platforms of desktop, browsers, and mobile devices, which I guarantee our kids are spending a lot of time on all three. All right, thank you.